Hello everyone, welcome to OCR Cash Bill Applet user guide. So what is OCR? So OCR is Optical Character Recognition System. So using this applet or module, you are able to extract a image and you can have information or text provided by the image. So using this module, if you have any invoice or if you have any text module which needs to be convert into your system, the data need to be migrated to your system, you can use this module. So let me show you how it works. So first of all, we have the left side menu. As you can see in the left side menu, we have multiple menus like scan, receipt, OCR generic doc, OCR generic doc line, OCR company, OCR item, OCR scan doc report. So the scanned received is the menu where whatever receipt or images you are uploading, the system will store those information. So for example, you can click plus and then you can choose any of the receipt or any image. Then the system, after creating click, the system will process the image and create a OCR generic doc. So after uploading the scanned receipt, based on the result, it will create the OCR generic doc. So the best use case for this applet is to have a invoice receipt. So the user will upload the receipt and the system will extract the information of item, their unit price, the total price of that receipt. So whenever the scan doc is uploaded, the system automatically create the OCR gen doc. And it will get the information of the receipt, the invoice date, invoice number, and then all the item. So this part is whenever the system get any scan doc, the OCR gen doc will be automatically created into the OCR gen doc here. So the uploaded receipt, if you want to see what is extracted by the system, you need to come to the OCR gen doc and you're able to see the image, you're able to see the information of it. And whatever item the invoice is having, you're able to see in the line items. So if the receipt don't have those information, the system will not show. So then all the item captured through OCR processor or OCR module, all the line item or the item in the receipt will be appearing into the OCR generic doc line item menu. So this is just only for review purpose. And also in the invoice or in the scan doc, whatever company is mentioned, or in the receipt, whatever company is showing or appearing, the system will extract that information and store the OCR company information into this menu. And the OCR item. So for the OCR item, whatever item is captured through OCR previously, it will be stored into this menu. Then the OCR scan doc is whatever document is scanned and whatever information is captured, you're able to generate and then download it. So something similar like this based on the information. So what is the process? What is the scan doc number, the creation date, the created by the OCR retailer, the location. So those things will be there. So using the OCR module, you can reward the user. So whatever document is scanned, based on that, if the invoice got your product, and the product you want to give them reward for buying it, so you can use this module also. So using the OCR Gen Doc, you are able to see whatever product the user buy, and then you can have the item. So by using the OCR module, you also can reward the customer. So if the customer is uploading an invoice, based on that invoice, if there is a product you want to, for that product you want to reward the customer, you can see and give them reward. For example, for this OCR, this is the line items. So you can set for this OCR item code, what is the financial item. So you need to link the item with your master item. So for example, you are selecting this financial item, so the system will store this information, and in future if the item code is appearing through the scan doc, the system will automatically link the financial item with the OCR item. So later you just need to store that information or just need to update it. So you need to set the reward point configuration. Then after configuring it, the system will automatically give the reward point to the customer. So after verifying the information for which item you want to reward the customer, after selecting or after modifying or after linking the item with the OCR item, you need to finalize it, and the system will automatically reward the point to the user. So that's how the module can be used based on your need, and can be useful to reward your member based on their purchase. That's all. Thank you.